welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan, for today's vlog guys, I just made this video to clarify to all our Muslims brothers and sisters because ah, I'm live. Nag-live kasi ako earlier and I found out that my viewers mostly are Muslims and they are asking me why I am eating. So they question me about, because we know already that this month is Ramadan. So to all my brothers and sisters, to all my Muslims brothers and sisters, I want to clarify that during my life I'm eating, it's because I'm not fasting. And I read your comment while I'm on live. Maybe when I'm talking, answering your comment, you didn't hear me because my mobile is, I don't know what happened, the audio. So you can't hear me and you comment, still commented that no excuses. But for me, it's okay because I'm not fasting and I'm a Christian and I'm not a Muslim. But I respect all Muslims that who are fasting. And you're questioning me about this one. I'm wearing this one because I'm always in the kitchen. I'm cooking food. So my employer bought me to use this one during working days, especially in the kitchen. This one is to prevent the hair, because if I'm cooking, sometimes the hair fall into the food. And thank you for commenting on my live. Thank you so much, and no hard feelings. Thank you so much for all your support, and I truly respect you guys. Thank you. And I just realized that I will not uh, live again, especially when I'm eating during this Ramadan time. So it's a lesson learned for me. Anyway, thank you so much and God bless us all. Bye.